and welcome to Make Rosé Wine with me. I have my ingredients here: orange juice, Sprite, and wine, which I didn't bring to the table. Let me go grab it. And wine. This is a wine that I got as a gift, and it's from 2022. I'm gonna pour some in here, maybe like a glass worth. That looks about good. The funny thing about this pint glass is that we actually won this for a raffle at a restaurant. They were playing the Maple Leafs game and we won a Maple Leafs version of the glass. 2 of them. But we were in the middle of fighting and I went for a walk because we were drinking and fighting, my fiance and I. And then after that, I won. So he called me and he was like, "You won the raffle!" And I was like, "Oh, yay." But then he was like, "I was in a good mood because my team scored, and then you put me in a bad mood because we're fighting. Now we won the glasses, so I'm in a good mood again." And I was like, okay, so easy. So I'm gonna pour some of this orange juice in here until it turns a rosy color. It kind of looks muddy, but we'll take it. And then I'm gonna put some Sprite. I'm not gonna put the whole can. I might put the whole can, but I might not. So this is 0 sugar Sprite. I just didn't want to add more calories. 0. I'm gonna pour some of this in here to make it a sparkling wine rosé. This is kind of just my makeshift sangria. Yeah, let's do the whole can. Ooh, I like it. Cheers. It's good. Thank you for making my wine with me. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'll see you next time.